Let's put some body panels on, some other stuff. Let's just get into this. So that's what I've been doing for the last couple days. Let me show you a little bit more, just one more thing on the wiring, because I was telling you about it before. So let me go over that real quick. So there's that fuse box and the block that I was telling you about. So basically the battery will go onto this post, 200 amp breaker, and it'll come off that post, and that will run over to the starter. Now here I'm going to run a 8, is it 8? Yeah, 8 gauge from here to the battery. And then these all, I still have to wrap all the wiring up, but so these all go out to the headlights up front, radiator, the fans. This is for the actuator for the bed, and then these go back for the fuel pump and for the transmission cooler, and then these are all the grounds. I brought them all up. Then I used a grounding strap up and then grounded that to the body. Started adding grounding straps there, here to there. Finished up all the wiring to the water temp, oil pressure, and then to the tach, and then battery feed. I still have to wrap all those. The radiator hose is all mounted up, goes all the way up to the front. Got the actuators in for the hood, both sides. This is up underneath. Radiator, lower, upper hose. And then I have it clamped off here and here to take up the vibration. And then, of course, it goes here and then here. I'm not too thrilled with how this upper one is. So, but for now, my biggest thing is to see if the water pump will push the coolant up to the radiator. I don't think it'll have a problem, but I'll find out soon enough. And then I got the harnesses all closed up. There's still a couple things I have to run to the starter. That one off the ignition, and then these ones right here. It's marine wiring. Yeah, marine wiring. So these ones are going to that fuse block, and that'll be ran up to the relays up here. So that's it for this weekend. Getting closer and closer to firing this up. Still have to order a few coolant lines, meaning the heater hose stuff, AC lines. I have one of those Cool Master crimpers for the AC. So once I get all those lines in and stuff like that, I can start running stuff from the condenser to the firewall to the inside unit that's mounted, and that's a vintage air unit. I do have one of those cool bulkhead ports that go through the bulkhead. Until I get my hoses and ends, AC ends and stuff, I'm not going to drill any holes yet into the firewall until I know for sure how I'm going to route that. So that's about it for this one. Hit like if you liked it, subscribe, share it, leave a comment down below, and then we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.